If you recall, there were substantial changes to the taxes. And so the 2017 tax reform kind of got pushed through in that last month of December. And so most of those changes went into effect for 2018. The overwhelming thought was that taxes were going to go down across the board, and they did. But there's also been a lot of concern, a lot of news popping up that your taxes may have gone up or that you're receiving a lower refund than expected. And I'll talk to why both of those things actually could happen, that your taxes could go down, but you also receive a lower refund. Let's just going to quickly show you the disclosures, basically saying that this can't be construed as advice. It's just more informational purposes, giving you a good understanding of what's going on with your taxes compared to previous years. So, and then also a quick reminder, so don't be late. Taxes are due April 15th, which is a Monday. So you'll have that weekend to get those processed if you need to. Here's a look at what the 1040 looks like. And so I just grabbed the snapshot of the top just to show you that it's what it looks like. If you haven't seen it or you only see it once a year, then you prefer to forget about it. But basically, the rest of that form has changed pretty substantially. The snapshot that I'm looking at the bottom is going to be really what's relevant for this question is, did your taxes go up or not? You'll find that on the total tax line. So that total tax line in 15, that's what your obligation is to the federal government. And then you can kind of see that the next line after that is actually what you already paid in. And so when you overpay, that's why you get that refund back. And if you underpay, then that's when you have to pay more to the government after tax season is finished, and you kind of reconcile that. And so why the big change? So what happened was the tax reform was rushed so quickly at the end of the year that the IRS wasn't able to provide new guidelines for your employer for how they should be withholding taxes. So they used previous formulas for previous years, and what it resulted in is you're actually receiving more in your paycheck. And what I consider this to be like is you're actually receiving your refund all throughout the year just by not paying extra to the government that you didn't need to in the first place. So instead of paying more into your taxes every single paycheck and then getting a larger refund, you're actually paying less and kind of receiving your refund all along the way. Then at the end, when it came time to file your taxes, you may not be receiving as large of a refund because you actually already received a big chunk of that every single paycheck throughout 2018. So that's why both of those things could be true. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you're not impacted too much by substantial changes, or you weren't counting on a big refund, and worse, you not only would that be smaller, but maybe you had to pay in. If you do want to plan more appropriately for 2019, if it was way off for 2018, you can go to the IRS's website and they'll let you calculate what your withholding should be on your W-4, and then you just submit that to your human resource team. They'll process that, and that will update how much is going to be withheld from your paycheck to make sure that it matches up with what your expectations are. So hopefully that's helpful, and have a great day.